If we get 200 likes on this video, I'll go in and eat our termites.
You know, 1 like and you go take a dive inside there for your next video.
And if anybody don't know what it is, I don't know either.
This fish now pee? Oh.
Well, what to your uncle, your mommy, your brother, your sister, your granny, your grandpa.
Alright guys, so we finally got time to record this fishing video for you all. It's something that we wanted to do for quite some time now. And look at this sweet slow-mo video we caught here. It was a fun experience overall. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So we're gonna plant.
Planting nothing. We're looking for worms. Comment below if you're eating termites, huh?
Hear that? Pull it down for some termite fries. Just let it go.
If this video reach,
Nah, don't start that nonsense.
if we get 200 likes on this video, I'll go in and eat our termites. More than one.
Bye-bye.
I need to know, man.
Lori, yeah, your stomach will be safe from that. So you rather eat a termite and a worm?
A termites. You know it is for you to bite up a worm and you feel it wiggling inside.
Yeah, but if you swallow the termite now and it go down inside you and start to live and hatch. What was? You can just consider the worm noodles versus potential termite hatching in your stomach. Behind your throat and thing.
Stop making it wet. Okay? Right, as I said, 200 likes and I'll be eating termites. Yeah guys, so welcome back to another video. Today, we're not doing no hunting video, you know.
Yeah, but also promise fishing video.
We're not fishing video today, but not in the sea, right? We're going in a river and
A lake.
not a lake. We're going in a river and fishing. Probably a pond. I don't know. We gotta see how the thing going first, right? Target species. What is target species today? Probably cascadoo. If we catch cascadoo, we win. Right? If we catch a cascadoo, we could go. Because, yeah. That's right. We reach by the river and we go and set up. And we'll get back to all you when it is.
We'll get back to it right now.
Well, basically, yeah, right now. But we'll get back to it when our boy catch a fish. Right?
Alright, so this is literally we getting back to all like 2 seconds right after. You see the river here, some lilies. For the want, let me know we'll pull out all 2 lilies for the boys, for the girls, we have all lilies. This is one side of the river. This is the not so friendly side, it's a real grass. Nevertheless, he might catch something there, but he might also lose his mind. It also have a little caiman somewhere floating around in the higher ups. If we get through, we get through. See a boy loading on the rods there. Alright, the traditional bamboo fishing rod. You know, the ancestors and them probably make one of this.
Great grandfather.
Yeah, the classic way of fishing.
Everybody.
No reel in action, just throw and pull. Got some real small fish that biting that line there. We had this whole river here. Let's see if we can catch anything. Cool, and it went under, but it came out. Small fish self. You know, one like and you go take a dive inside there for your next video. You agree to that, you know, so. The weather now recede back, they finally seen some blue skies. I can't even see them from here. Look at it. See, we are nature. We are nature, the finest in the back end. That nothing beats this life, you know. There's a bats flying underneath that bridge there, you know. I don't know what we will do. There you go, take that bet up and reach by the pond. I know you have to do the honors here for me, I can't.
Well, just spray the worm.
The worm this feels slimy, alright? I don't want to touch no slimy looking worm.
Worm. Oh, you can't, son, you can't.
Nah, the worm just make me feel icky.
Icky?
He's a big man, you know.
Big hard back man, afraid of worm.
Imagine that.
Well, 300 likes and he go and eat a worm for you.
Actually, yeah. Yeah. Nah, it could be more like 300 like I know actually hook my own line.
No, you gotta eat a worm.
They start with the harder thing first now, touching the worm.
How does he have? Eating the worm is the harder thing.
Today is now we day here now. I sure if we go back down by the pond we will get through. You know? So just as we stop.
Now take off the camera and watch.
Just as we stop recording.
Catch a fish. Let the sardine. I mean, you could use this as fried giant.
It's a real thoughtful we could add to that. There he goes.
One eternity later.
Alright, so nature never never disappoints. As we were moving to our next fishing spot, we found what appears to be one of the best cherry trees you could find in the wild. Locally known as what? Series.
I have no idea.
You can climb there if you want.
Climb where you see nothing, huh? No. Like my boss we had before we
cover that cherry now, boy. So we get nice and softly. Yeah, that's itself.
Yeah, sure.
That worm there, boy. Eating all that protein. Hey. Slacking, hey, look at a piece of rope there, so everything going on there.
Have you seen that piece of rope?
That piece of rope right there. You pull it?
You pull it.
I'm not pulling you. Pull you up now.
Where the rest of them go?
We're leaving this piece of forest here. You continue. Yeah,
I'm not climbing that.
tree really my. Just how much?
I'll put the gal tree right here too.
In case all you know, Portugal, you know. Some people just call it orange for some reason. I have no idea why.
Wait. But anyways, let us continue.
Alright.
We on the move to a new spot because
We didn't get bites.
we didn't get bites.
Well, we did get one bite, but.
Such a small fish, but we on the move to a new spot.
So we have something moving the bush today. Alright, so this is spot number 2. Potentially could get bitten by an alligator. Not even bitten, huh? That could be the end of the day. You're real deep too, you know.
Very.
You're real deep. You're not looking like that, you know, people, but you're deep.
Jump in and show them.
Nah, I can't swim. I jump in there and just sink straight to the bottom.
There's the bubbles after.
Yeah, that is it. My hair very deep. You should see here in the dry season. You don't like it at all.
So imagine we now walk all here to catch nothing.
Nah,
Catching the first fish.
no.
I already catch the first fish.
I might catch my ass and skate. Now going on here. I would have slippers in the bush. But you're real deep in there, man. I just coke and thing in there, but let me see. Here, first one here.
A few moments later.
Alright. So we are the third and final spot of this fishing expedition we decided to take. You had to build a little catfish now jump. Not patience is a game. You come in here. You see the worm wiggling? And oh, he catch something across here.
Hey. Don't say that.
Show it.
What is taking the colors? Aye. Watch.
Never look at all. I mean, you had to sacrifice something for the fish. I didn't know you would have done that right
Taking
now.
the colors on this fish.
Taking the colors of people.
And if anybody don't know what it is, I don't know either. I think it is called a freshwater bullshit or something like that. Do not know.
Now we got a picture of the fish.
If anybody could confirm,
I should have jumped in that way.
do so.
Ladies and gentlemen, children and thing. Oh, quick! But that's a day, boy. I had to retire from fishing.
Watch it.
When the streamer line day, I had to retire. Next one inside. What kind of fish is this one?
Cuss crab or a cara.
Take a picture there. Very nice. You have anything to say? You're proud of yourself, man?
Proud of myself.
Nothing existing outside here for my line, man. Even a nibble. Not even a current. Not even a little push of the underwater current itself. Nothing. No, you see me, I packing up,
We
boy.
can get up. You're moving the line too much.
So I'm in a situation outside here. He catching everything. Everything that under this water he catching, and I just hang up there right now.
Pull anything now, eh?
So now how to hit your little technique here.
It's me a technique, you can't me no technique.
Help me. Stuck. Stuck for life.
Pull it in.
Give me a little pulling in.
Give me these string.
Alright, you see how you touch my line here? This is what I wanted them to do. I want them to touch my line so I can get some other luck.
Still ain't getting that luck. So them only rain coming.
Alright, so
Listen to it.
let's hear that weather. See that weather. Right now, we're gonna get a little bead. If I catch on my line from an ass, I can feel good. Here come people. We're going to take down, we're gonna get beat down.
This is the best weather to.
Oh, check the scenic view of that pond game. Lick up there by the rain. It's lick up after lick up over here.
Where are we at the moment? Under a coconut tree.
Yeah, a little coconut tree. But oh, check that.
You know that?
Look at it.
Alive! We still catching them.
In the rain too, come. What kind of fishes are you getting now?
A cuss crab.
A cusky.
Cusky.
We got a little focus here. We got to picture the cusky inside.
I third one, huh? And you catch none.
Right now, I only catching my behind.
We did say we were going to get soaked down to catch a fish.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna share this man's spot here.
Do not. Well, you only know.
So while I was trying to record a slow video for the intro or something like that, we just pulling out.
This fish no pee? Oh. Well, let's watch it. Watch how much we have.
Then I better representation.
Same bait. Same bait, right? Watch it.
That one beat.
That's one bait. Same bait. Same little old hole. The little bushy hole.
All the whole same bait.
It's where we catching all the fish.
Watch out. The next one inside.
Fish
Wait,
after fish.
where are the city?
Down. Take down. The fish after fish. Grade 9 fisherman.
But nice weather too.
Sleep.
Yeah, you ain't wrong enough. I have a good horror movie to go and watch there when I reach home. And let's relax more bones.
No cramp up and thing, eh? I can't carry it back home.
I don't cramping already, so yeah. Yeah, to put money back.
On my back? You see my back? My back going on break, boy. Okay. Apparently we didn't catch out everything from the old boat, but I think we're gonna wrap it up here, you know.
Alright people, so it's that time for we to wrap up a little adventure here. I think we beat enough in this rain fall here.
Last fish and then we go in.
Last fish and then we're going to surely we're going to migrate them pretty much.
Basically.
Basically migrating the fish from one place to another.
One lake. Hey, let's look at our tadpole. I think that was your doing.
Yeah, we have tadpole inside here. I can't even catch him on camera, but they'll kitty. Hey,
Now watch that fish.
Don't worry, I'll have a new home very soon.
Oh, I now feel a big one.
Yeah, that's the big one I catch.
Yeah, I get it. I get the longest one.
Migrating tadpole and all too. But it always have, what did they say about life? You're moving for betterment, so them fish and I'm gonna move to betterment. Probably.
Not necessarily.
We honestly don't know what's going on to them, but they're getting moved out. They're moving to populate and expand. And all we need is like we have a whole entire generational family inside this bucket. What we need right now, who are we trying to catch?
Great grandfather.
The great grandpappy.
To finish your family tree. Ooh.
I think we
hook up.
well, like
We're gonna catch grandpa.
that probably was grandpa spirit. Yeah, alright.
We're gonna catch you one more fish across the road. You see, look on now jump.
So you at an unsolicited location again.
For a spring.
That was spring here.
This is a natural spring.
Natural spring, people.
We're gonna catch some fish right here. A second pass? I don't think a second pass, you know.
Not even us.
Let me get them a retake. Do it over for them.
Let me run this again.
Run it again.
So yeah, back in the days, people used to drink from here. Bathe, wash the clothes, everything from here.
Take down. That's all I had to say. Take down.
You know, if it wasn't migrating them fish on them, we would have a field with all of them here. A real nice location, you know, but
Can't.
honestly, we cannot let it go.
Can't tell a lot.
We can't. You know? We like to preserve the areas. Preserve warrior.
Fall long no.
That's hating.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Okay.
Not a small one though.
Last fish.
Look at him.
Ooh.
Muddy too, boy. I got a picture of you. Nice. Alright, folks and people.
Whoever.
Yeah.
Take down. Right.
This is our takedown. This is my great fish. So we have a freshwater spring here.
For the size. Oh, good. 3 feet long, you know.
Yeah, 3 feet.
3 feet long.
3 feet indefinitely.
And this is a proper release.
Right, we can't properly release all of them, right? So we have a little freshwater spring here, and we're going and populate back with all the fishes we just catch.
And feed them.
And feed them. We have
Extra worms.
we have extra worms. Rip to the worms.
No, you have worms.
I probably have worms IRL too. You never know. I don't have IRL good diet, I don't even know. But anyways,
Why didn't take up enough shot?
the bucket of fish. Yeah, you're right, you know. That will remain monetary.
Let's see how much fish we catching overall, right? Obviously, I catch most of them. Cause
Yeah, you catch like about 2 fish.
1.
Yeah, you want to count that or?
The most prettiest here. I reached 4, 5.
I wasn't even counting.
Anyways, we'll find it back.
Freedom method finders.
That is fish.
This definitely a pretty fish. We gotta ask the big T what kind of fish it is.
Who?
The big T.
The big T. I don't know. It's big T. All our lost count, so overall, I would say like 15, 12, 15.
Alright, so that was a little fishing adventure there. Beating the rain and things fall there. Showing you how we just repopulate different parts with fishes. Migrate them to a freshwater spring. Right, you know. Later on we might come and take out some of them and put them to a different location.
Watch. Clean water.
Clean water. Right! You gotta tell the people the inclusion.
Was a good day, and take down.
And we
Don't
get free.
forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And we
Share
get
it
free
to
shower.
a friend, share it to your auntie, your uncle, your mommy, your brother, your granny, your grandpa. Share it to everybody.
Even the one you're holding them with too.
I don't know about that, but take down.
Alright.